Okay, this is the next day after the storm. I'm going to show you the effects. First off, all the snow is stacked up at the bottom of my door. It's still snowing a little bit. And look at the mounds and mounds of snow all stacked up. My dog can't, Molly, my dog can't even get out over it. She's sort of trapped in because of the mounds of snow that are just stacked up everywhere. I mean, you can see it. Some of these are blocking doors and stuff. This is what has happened with the blizzard of 2011. Okay, Molly, you can come back in now. Come on, girl. Oh, she wants to stay out there and play. Okay.